All right, today I got a little different video. I'm going to update you on projects we got going. We got a couple other things going other than the barn build in the house build. The house build's sort of in a lull right now as we're pretty much done with the barn except for the metal roof. But I haven't really been working on it because it's super hot. It's the middle of August and there's no way I'm getting up putting a metal roof on in 90 degrees and high humidity. So that's kind of on hold for a few weeks. And the framers are going to start the house at about the same time, probably the end of August, the 1st of September or so. So in the meantime, I've been working on this rental house of ours. So I'm going to show you that whole process. I got some video from back in when I started the project. I've been working on and off since April, I guess. The tenants moved out in March. And I got in the kitchen and all in April, I guess. And so we've got, I'll show you the footage I have of us doing all the gutting and we just got the new cabinets installed and the ceiling and all. So that's that. That's this project. In the meantime, we're also looking to get our house that we live in on the market because the market's super hot right now. So Jen and I thought, let's get the house on the market now while the market's hot and take advantage of that. And if we have to, we'll live in one of the two rental houses while our new house is, while we're finishing that up. So very busy time in our lives, and I just wanted to update you all on that and take you along for the ride of all of it. It's a whirlwind right now, so the videos maybe here, there, you never know where. Last week's video was some footage of me doing those trees behind the store in November. So I got a bunch of stuff in the vault, I guess. So while we're in a lull with the house building, I'll get caught up on all that stuff video-wise. So once the house starts, though, definitely we'll be posting probably more often even with the house build. So let me show you the renovation of this house. Stuff an inch thick. Easy, right? All right, it's a couple hours later, and the battery ran, and I was just too lazy to replace it, to be honest with you. But we got all the walls done. I don't know if Jen's ready for deer hunting or the apocalypse or the pandemic or what she's
Deer hunting, apocalypse, pandemic, all of it.
Yep.
Ready for everything.
She's ready to muck some stalls.
Yeah.
Here comes Chris.
Hey.
Lou, check this out. Wow. I got the hard job. teaching him a few things about construction. The bathroom remodel that I mentioned earlier is his bathroom. He'll be helping me on the house. Tomorrow we're putting foam down, getting ready for the slab pour. So it's always good to have a young set of knees on the job site. So that's what Chris will be doing. So, all right, they can clean. I kind of made a mess. You think? Well, let me take you inside and show you where we're at, and I'll shoot some video as we finish the kitchen. So this is the kitchen space. We completely gutted it. It had the old school, 40s and 50s cabinets all built in. We did pine on the ceiling, got some new lighting in. I don't know what would be the best view here. So yeah, this will be, the sink will be here. There'll be dishwasher. This wire here is for the dishwasher. A little cabinet, dishwasher, sink, corner cabinet, range over here, refrigerator over here. And then all cabinets up above. And then over here there's gonna be 7 feet of cabinets in here. We put a double outlet here, figured that'd be like a charging station. You come in, throw your keys, your cell phone. There'll be cabinets all up above. And then tomorrow, I'm having a guy come in and do the floors. He's gonna do the floors. There's an upstairs, there's a couple of bedrooms upstairs. He's gonna do the whole house, and he's gonna put a piece of vinyl flooring on the kitchen. So I'll get some footage of that, and we're doing the bathroom. We stripped the walls, and we're gonna be painting this. I'm gonna put a fan in, light and a fan situation. But the tile's all in good shape in here, so I'm not touching that. I'm just gonna paint the walls up. Floor's in good shape. The bedroom here, put a new light fixture. Sorry it's dark, but I don't have a light fixture in yet. Light fixture, and painted the walls, painted the ceilings. Oh, we did some paint and trim in here. That looks good. Kids have been in here painting trim. This is gonna be my grandson's room, so they'll paint this whatever they want. I put a couple coats of primer on it, painted the ceiling, put a new light fixture, the floors will get done. It's gonna be a nice place. The living room, these are all dark paneling walls. There's 4 coats of paint on it right now, and it needs more, so. But we got it good enough for the kids to do, whatever they want with the walls, whatever color they want or whatever. So then there's a nice sun porch out here. Jen painted the floor out here. And see, they got picked up some wicker furniture, and it's nice. It's a nice outside space. Those all open, so you can get a nice breeze in here. So yeah, that's an update for now. All right, put her up there, kid. All right. You good? Yep. Nice and tight over here. Pretty good?
Alright, so all the gray cabinets are in. Gray cabinets done. Now we're doing white cabinets. 7 feet of white cabinets over here. Alright, so we got all the cabinets in today. Take a look. So let me take you around. So this will be the fridge right here. We got new appliances ordered, coming in a couple weeks, stainless. 30-inch fridge. The oven here. You know, the microwave over the top. Dishwasher over here. You might have seen us. We had mounted these two cabinets, and this one's pushed all the way in the corner, and this opening was only 23.5 inches, and it needs to be 24. So we had to, I scribed this to the wall down here, and then pushed it back, and now we got the right distance in there now for the dishwasher. So the and then this over here, this is gonna be nice. Plenty of drawers right here in the middle. I gotta get some hardware on here. I think you're gonna put hardware on here. Plenty of drawers there. Yeah, and this needs hardware. And then these are just two big cabinets, drawers on top. So that's 7 feet. I'm calling the charging station. You come in here, you drop your keys, your cell phone, charger there, and then you got all up here these 4 cabinets. So plenty of storage in this kitchen. And you see the vinyl floor I had put in. I ended up paying a professional to put that in. The ceiling I did myself. And he also did, the floor guy also did the hardwood floors. He stripped the floors in the whole house, stained them, and put 2 coats of polyurethane on. He even did the stairs going up and down upstairs, and all the rooms upstairs. There's 3 rooms upstairs, so it's going to be a nice space. We've been hanging out while we're working. We've been hanging out on the front porch here. And all right, what's going on my cell phone? Oh, Ethan's sending me all the pictures he took today of us working. So yeah, that was my son Ethan doing the work with me. He's going to be living here, so you know, he's got to do some work. So, but it was great working with him today, and finally getting these cabinets out of the garage and getting them in here, and you can see what the space is going to be like. It's not a huge kitchen. There'll be a table over here, for a little round table, but it's going to be a good space. So that's it for now. You're caught up on the rental house, and you know, we'll see you next week with another video. I don't know what it will be on, whether it will be on the barn or
or probably finishing up this house. We've got appliances and stuff coming in the countertops, so we'll get this one finished up. If you like our videos, want to follow along on all these crazy adventures, hit the subscribe button, give the video a like. That helps the channel a lot. If you hit that thumbs up button, and tell us you like the video, that helps the video to get more views. You know, leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions, or just want to chat, whatever. Do what you dig what you do. Life will be sweet. See you next time.
Alright, what are you doing?